I've always been a birdhouse builder. Nothing too extravagant. Uh, in many cases quite simple, but you toy around with different things. Birdhouses were actually a pretty consistent part of the programs that I offered through School District 70. I worked with alternative education students who would, in many circumstances, not have a terrific sense of self-esteem. Recently got turned on to what's called spalted maple, which simply means maple that's going rotten. And the color and grain configurations that go on in those pieces, because of Mother Nature's magic, just sort of lights up the work that you do. So I use a lot of spalted maple on the projects that I'm using.